Meaning of dodecagon.
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 Dodecagon. A dodecagon is a geometric shape that consists of 12 sides and 12 angles. It is a regular polygon, meaning all its sides and angles are equal. The interior angle of a dodecagon measures 150 degrees, while the exterior angle measures 30 degrees. The perimeter of a dodecagon can be calculated by multiplying the length of one side by 12. The area of a dodecagon can be calculated by using the formula 3 times square root 3 times s squared, /2, where s is the length of one side. The dodecagon is a unique and interesting shape with many fascinating mathematical properties.